Hi guys, this is Sahil Sen. If you're watching the video for the first time, subscribe the channel and push on the notifications. So lately I have been reading plenty of books and one of them was F.U.Money by Dan. So first of all, this is not a complete book review. It's just about what I learned from the book and what I feel you should do. So what is F.U.Money? F.U.Money is about having so much money that you don't need anymore. It's about that point of liberation. Liberation from all your financial worries. Liberation from your debts. Liberation from the stress that comes with money. Liberation from your daily life routine. It's about freedom. Freedom for you and your loved ones to do anything they want. Freedom for you to buy anything you want without even looking at the price tag. Understand it this way. F.U.Money is not a particular amount. It's just a concept. It is different for different people. It may be $10,000 for me and it may be $25,000 for you. So it is different for different people. So how do you know? Each and every one of us has dreamt about a particular lifestyle. We want some things that our money can buy. Let it be a mansion, a sports car, impressive watch, new gadgets. So, if you're able to achieve that particular lifestyle and do the things you've always wanted to do with the money you make, then you know that you have achieved your F.U.Money and need no more. If you have your F.U.Money, there will be no sleepless nights worrying about money. You won't have to worry about your kids' college fees, their school fees. Overall, the future of your family will be secure. You won't have to say no just because you don't have money. You can wake anytime you want. You can meet anyone anytime you want. You can choose your work according to your liking. And if right now you decide that you want to go to Switzerland with your family for a month of vacation, then you can do it because you've achieved your F.U.Money. So having F.U.Money is pretty awesome, right? So why is it important? As I've already started mentioning that why is it important, but actually, why is it important? Get it this way. Making your F.U.Money is not an option, it's a necessity. If you don't make your F.U.Money, then you will be a slave. Yes, a slave. Even if you're making lakhs or crores per year, but if you don't know your F.U.Money, then you'll always be longing for more. And the same money that ought to bring you happiness will be bringing you pain, suffering, and stress. You will be stuck in the trap. What I have is good, but it's not enough. Why? You're able to achieve your desired lifestyle. So why isn't it enough? If you don't know your F.U.Money, then first you will be longing for more. Even in your deathbed, you will be like, I could have done more. Who wants that? Second, you'll get obsessed because money is like a drug. The more you get, the more you're likely to get obsessed with it. So it's important to know your F.U.Money. It's the same like your favorite TV series. Let it be Friends,
Hey, how you doing?
Game of Thrones,
Winter is coming.
or anything. The more you get the taste of it, the more you want. You watch an episode, you want more. And it goes on. The same with money. You have to know when to stop. You have to stop chasing it because you have to remind yourself that you wanted to live a particular lifestyle. So it's important to know your F.U.Money because it tells you when to stop and start living. That's all from my side. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.